Yeah, right. So today I'm going to be making the plain tail, which is going to go in the hand tool cabinet. I'm partially using the design from the Wood Whisperers channel. I'll put a link in the description below. So let's just get on and get the first cuts done. The dimensions are going to be a bit different though, because I've obviously got to fit it into what the area I'm using and not what he's done. So let's do it. As you can see here, I've come up from the bottom 80mm, and then I've come in from the side 60mm, and I'm just going to draw a line to match them up. Just to backtrack a bit, to show you, this is one of the original sides I cut, with the rebits in, the rebit at the bottom and at the top. And this was the second one I've done along with it, but as you can no doubt see, they're identical. Classic, doing the usual mistakes that I do. Which meant I had to go and cut a new piece. Got it right. I just want to jump in here and say that this project isn't actually finished yet. I've had a really busy week at work, so I haven't had the time that I was hoping to have. So in order to see it totally finished, you'll have to tune in again next week. So hopefully I'll see you all then.